Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to save documents in Google Drive. So in Google Drive is basically Google Drive is a some kind of space Google has provided the free, so you can use up to 15 GB space free from Google Drive. So you need the Google account or Gmail account to use this. So first open your Gmail account with your email account, email ID, and then go to the app option and go to the Drive. So as I told you, Drive is some space which given by Google to you, where you can save your documents and folders. Okay, here you can see I have saved many documents like Excel sheet, PDF. You can save the videos also, images. You can create folder. You can upload folder here. So I will show you how you can save the documents. So there is a you can manage document as per requirement. You can create the folder for particular documents if you want to save your office work with particular work folder. So you can create the new folder as a office work, and you can upload documents over there. So how can it just create the new folder? And if I want to save my all documents or work document in this folder, so I will name this as I want. So I just will name this like office work documents, create it, then this folder will be created. Okay, so now just open it. Now you can see we are into my folder. Now you can go to the new again and you can upload the file into this. Go to the file upload and just find the file where you have saved. Okay, so I have. Okay, I will upload this image. You can also upload the Excel sheet, Word file, anything, PDF and all. I just upload the image only, so it will be upload here. Okay, so I upload the one image in this folder. You can see this is folder name and you can file. So you can also upload this image or documents in home page, but don't upload the in home page because it will be very difficult to recognize particular file and folder file or PDF file, anything. So I suggest you create the first folder, and according your documents you can upload here. As you see, I have created a new folder here and I have upload file. Okay, so okay, so it was different, I think. So where it is, photo new work, office work. Okay, office work document I have upload in this. Okay, so you can also upload the folder from your computer. If you have already create folder in your computer and you have already files and document in this, so you can directly upload folder from this. Just click on folder and now you have to find the folder. Okay, this folder I want to upload. Just select it and you can upload it. Okay, so it will be uploaded, it will be see here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.